Hello, hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Welcome back to the E portion of T.E.L.L. Joanne. I am your girl, Joanne. Guys, today is an exciting day because it is Members Request Day. And our member for today is Joanne. Hello, hello, Joanne. Joanne has requested for us to listen to Eva Cassidy's Songbird. So first of all, Joanne, thank you very much for bringing Eva back to the channel because we love her very, very much. All right, so this will be my very first time ever hearing of the song Songbird. Right after we do our cheer. If you are part of the family, aka you're already subscribed, then you already know. But if you're new to the channel, this is when I say hello, hello, hello. Now, put me on pause or get yourself a beverage of the choice. Hit that subscribe button so that you can become part of this absolutely amazing community. And on the count of three, we'll do our cheer. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go.
The sun will be shining, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score, and I love you, I love you, I love you, like never before.
My goodness, her voice is just so warm. It's so like constantly beautiful. Like I just felt like again, it just felt like a warm blanket. That's why I just felt like I was just like holding myself, holding my heart, and just listening to her. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Her voice, it is just so absolutely, absolutely beautiful, absolutely comforting. Even when I'm listening to her songs that I'm crying like crazy. It's just so something so comforted and so sincere in her voice that you just, it's just so absolutely amazing. So Joanne, thank you so much for bringing her back to the channel. And I love this song as well. Very, very much love the song. I love the words to the song. I will definitely be listening to this song as well. That's another song. I want to hear it a couple of times, but I just love it. Just, oh my goodness. Oh, that's just my feeling. It's my reaction. Is just that. Oh my god, that's my reaction to this song. It's really not words. It's just like ah. On that note, thank you again. Thank you for bringing her back to the channel. I'm gonna see the rest of you guys on the next reaction, and definitely comment below. Let me know what other songs that you guys recommend of her, so I can put on the recommendation list. So the next time I do a week or two of recommendations, hopefully it'll come up. All right. On that note, I'll see you guys again. I keep saying on that note on the next reaction.